What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and before we actually get into the main point of this video, I wanted to give a huge thank you to all of you, because yesterday we hit 500,000 subscribers, and that's a milestone that I really never thought was gonna happen, and it's all because of you guys supporting the channel and hitting the subscribe button and commenting and watching all the videos. I can't thank you guys enough for this crazy love and the support. It's been unbelievable. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure to give my Instagram a follow at @RealSethFowler. We're almost at 100K there, which is another crazy milestone, and also my Twitter, which I think is, I don't know where, my Twitter doesn't really matter that much, but if you guys want to follow that as well, that would be awesome, and I'd really appreciate it. But of course, because we just hit this crazy milestone, there will be a pretty cool giveaway coming up sort of in honor of the 500,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for that, because it's coming up pretty soon. But now getting into the main point of the video, the reason you guys are all here, today I'm reviewing a pair of Vans that sold exclusively at the Vans Vault store in New York City, and it's the Vans Sk8 Hi Reissue 6. I was in New York City recently for Tom Stefanik's birthday because apparently on his birthday he travels to the dirtiest city in the world. Happy birthday, Tom. No shade towards New York. I lived there for 5 years. I just know some of the stuff that goes on. And while we were there, I was just walking around the city and happened to stumble upon the Vans Vault store. And apparently this Vans Vault store is like a special pop-up that's only in New York City, but there's potential for it to actually stay permanently. And apparently they get some crazy exclusive Vault Vans sneakers that are only sold in-store at their location and then at some random European sneaker websites. Not sure why they're sold there, but they're mainly just sold at that location in New York City. Shout out to Zach for telling me about the spot. I'm definitely gonna go back. And while I was there, they happened to have just released that day a brand new collection, or a couple brand new collections, that included this insanely awesome Sk8 Hi. I've always loved Vans. I used to work at the Vans store when I was like 16 or 17. I don't remember exactly how old I was, but it's always been a brand that I go back to. And these Vans Sk8 Hi's are so sick. Damn dude, I just really dig these. These are fire. So like I said, these shoes only release at the Vans Vault store and then some random European site. And I'm just really lucky that I happened to be in the store at the right time to grab these, because these are probably my favorite pair of Vans out right now. Vans Vault sneakers are limited edition sneakers that are usually made with more premium materials, and because of that they usually cost a little bit more. Like this pair was $95, I believe. But in my opinion, it was $95 well spent, because this shoe is fire and most of the shoes that I buy are usually $150 to $200 plus, so this was actually a bargain. So why don't we jump into the sneaker and find out what makes it so awesome. On the toe of the shoe, you've got this really nice salmon or pink suede that's accented by this white stitching. There's also this really cool bright yellow rubber accent that runs around the base of the upper, and it really gives this shoe some pop. And I just love multicolored sneakers, especially when they're like this. They're a little bit more muted and a little bit more toned down. It's just a great look. Moving up on the shoe, you've got this tannish brown suede that houses the eyelets, and weaving through those eyelets, you've got these flat white laces. Underneath the laces, you've got this tumbled leather in that same sort of light brown as the suede, and at the top of the tongue, you've got this white patch with the Vans skateboard logo. Moving inside the shoe, you've got this really cool, like purplish pink leather sock liner that I think accents the inside of the shoe really nicely. Kind of wish there had been some purplish pink on other parts of the shoe, but it is what it is. And then the insole of the shoe comes in this sort of forest green with the Vans logo printed onto the heel. But if you take a closer look at this insole, you'll realize that it's no ordinary insole. This is a thick boy. This insole is actually a padded Ultra Cush insole, which has a lot of padding around the heel, which provides a lot of impact protection. I really love this insole a lot. It's very comfortable, and I would assume that it's actually great for skating, but I wouldn't know because I don't skate. As for fit, these Vans Vault Sk8 Hi's do seem to fit me true to size. However, Vans Sk8 Hi's don't fit everyone the same, and I definitely suggest going into your local Vans store or any store that stocks Vans and trying on a pair of Sk8 Hi's before you grab this pair. Well, I guess since you can only really buy these at the Vans Vault store, just try on a pair before you pick them up. Continuing back on the multicolor upper, you have more suede paneling. The top panel comes in the same sort of salmon pink that you have on the toe, and the bottom panel comes in sort of a reddish orange. Splitting these two panels down the middle, you've got the Vans logo in a forest green leather, and I think it accents the side of the shoe really nicely. Then finishing off the heel, you've got more of that light brown suede. Moving down on the shoe, you've got a dual-toned, sort of grayish tan vulcanized midsole, and rounding off the shoe, you've got a chocolate brown outsole. For 95 bucks, this Vans Vault Sk8 Hi is definitely worth the money in my opinion. It's comfortable, the colorway is awesome, and the materials are surprisingly premium. But the real question is, if you're not near New York City, Is this shoe worth the journey? Unless you love it, probably not, but honestly I think it's an awesome shoe, and if you happen to be in the area, it's definitely worth checking out. But now I would love to know your thoughts on the VANS Sk8 Hi Reissue 6 and whether it's a shoe that you'd like to travel all the way to New York City to grab, or whether you're going to try and grab it online somewhere. So make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.